Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber cloth, and new thermal paste. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your HP16 AF014NS. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws. Keep them organized to ensure you can easily reassemble your laptop later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. After removing the back panel, you will have access to the internal components, including the CPU and GPU. Now let's focus on cleaning. Use the microfiber cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the internal surfaces. Pay special attention to the fans and heat sinks, as dust accumulation can hinder performance. If you notice significant dust buildup, consider using compressed air to blow it out. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, locate the CPU and GPU. You will see the old thermal paste on the heat spreaders. Using a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cloth, gently wipe away the old thermal paste from both the CPU and the heat sink. Ensure that all residue is removed for optimal thermal conductivity. Once the surfaces are clean and dry, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Apply a small, pea-sized amount of thermal paste to the center of the CPU. When you reattach the heat sink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Avoid using too much paste, as this can lead to overheating. After applying the thermal paste, carefully reattach the heat sink and secure it with screws. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to ensure proper contact. If you need assistance with this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Now it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Double check that all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose components. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is working effectively. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you with any technical difficulties you may face. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the thermal paste and clean your HP16 AF1014NS, enhancing its performance and longevity. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your laptop running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.